In this video, you will learn how to watch Pinterest schedule pins. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to click on this plus icon in the bottom of your screen. Now you have to click on pin. After that, you have to click on photo, and let's say I want to create pin of this photo. And now you have to add a title. After that, let's say I want to schedule this pin. So now you have to click on schedule option, and now you have to click on this pencil icon in the right and add date or time. After that, you have to simply click on this done option. Now you have to click on this schedule option in the bottom right corner, and now again you have to click on schedule option. After that, your pin will be scheduled, and now I will show you how you can see the schedule pin. So for that, first of all, you have to open your profile picture and click here, and now you will see an option called your schedule pin, and now you have to click here. So as you can see, this is your schedule pin, and that's how you can watch your schedule pin in Pinterest app. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks video like this one.